Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss what is Linux and why we are using it, why it is so popular. Linux is a free and open source operating system that is created in a 1990 by Linus Torvalds. It is based on the Unix operating system and become a most popular number of the reasons including scalability, security and flexibilities. Linux is used on a wide variety of devices, including desktop computers, server, mobile devices, embedded system. It is known for its efficiency and powerful command line interface, as well as the ability to run a wide range of hardware platforms. Linux is also highly customizable with a large number of open source applications and tools available for use. This makes it popular choice of the user who wanted to modify or customize their operating system to meet their specific need. Overall, Linux is a reliable and powerful operating system that is widely used in a variety of applications and devices. So that's why Linux is popular. That's all for today's video.